What's going on, guys? Perspective here, and this is KV. Today we're gonna unbox the Cyberpunk 2077 edition 2080 Ti that we won from the Instagram giveaway.
I know, right? It's unbelievable.
Yeah, like who would have thought, dude?
We have never won anything in our lives, so we are not sponsored or endorsed by Nvidia at all. So this is us. We had a chance out of 77 other people to win this giveaway, and we're fortunate enough to get this.
Oh, dude, hell yeah!
It's crazy.
Hell yeah! Like 2 cards of 77 available for the community out of like 200 for the world. That's crazy.
So this is a very, very rare card, and this is the first unboxing we're doing. We have not taken a look at these at all, so this is very exciting.
Oh, dude, I'm
shaking right now. It's like, man, dude, I've never won anything in my life.
Dude, I know, right? Like, when we were asked to do the freaking W9, I was like, what the heck? Like, seriously? Actually, I didn't even know that you had to fill out a tax form when you win a giveaway like that.
Oh, yeah, I think anything under $600 or over $600, you have to do a W9 form for them to tax you, because I think they do tax about 10%
of this. Yeah, I figured.
Was that $110?
Yeah, 115 or something.
Yeah, because this is what? 1,100 MSRP.
No, it's $11.99, bro.
$11.99?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
But yeah, dude, no, I was talking to my coworker about it just to kind of get more insight on it, and he was like, he's won like so many different sweepstakes before, and I'm just like, dude, you got to give me some of your luck. But he's like, you only miss the swings that you don't take.
Yeah.
So I'm like, all right, dude, all right.
Yeah, I've been on like a giveaway entering streak. I've done it for like a lot of other companies. Oh, see right here. This is like when you open all the chests and it like glows in your face.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is it right here. This is so unbelievable. This has got a good weight to it too.
Dude, yeah.
Like I would say this is what, like 8 pounds? Maybe 10?
I can't even count right now. Yeah, hold on. Let me make sure there's nothing else in there.
So there it is, guys.
Oh man.
Woo. That is a sight to be seen.
Okay.
I'm definitely gonna get this game. I'm gonna pre-order it. I want to play it with this card.
Dude, I feel obligated to play this game.
I know, right? That's how I feel. So it's like
let me be honest with you, dude. Like, okay, so remember last year when we were doing Tech Trio, me, PJ, and Ant? Mm-hmm. We were talking a little bit about this and like how Keanu Reeves is gonna be in it and all that, right?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it's like, what the heck? I don't know. I didn't have too much interest in the game, except for the fact that it's gonna be a game changer in the industry, That's it. And then all of a sudden you put me in that post and I'm like, well shoot, really, this is gonna be the only yellow component that I've ever owned in my life. Well, there it is. Now I kind of feel obligated to play. I mean, not in a bad way, but...
It's gonna be a good game. I mean, have you ever played the Witcher series at all?
No, everyone keeps telling me like Witcher series, if you want to get comfortable.
It's a really in-depth game. It's very story-driven. So I have a feeling this game is going to be just like that. So, I mean, the people at CD Projekt Red, they do a pretty good job at making really visceral, intense, like, storyline-driven games.
Man.
So, are you ready to open it up? So we got our GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. That's the front of the box. On the side here, we got, you see that? NVIDIA, same thing with the logo. In the back, they just got like their licensing and things on there. And then just plain
yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Oh my god, dude!
I know, right? All right, here we go.
Oh my god! Let's go!
This is just...
Oh no, it's right here, right here.
Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. There it is!
Damn! Oh my god.
That's sick. I like the way they box things now. Like they put so much thought in how things are boxed now, and it looks like legit. So that's the card. Let's see.
Look at that piece.
Yeah, this thing is a pretty heavy card. This thing is. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. So that's what the top of the card looks like. And then we got our 2 fans here. And then we got our ports, so it looks like we got a USB-C, looks like.
Yeah, Thunderbolt.
Or Thunderbolt, sorry. Yeah. Display port, HDMI, another display port.
And another
so 3 display ports, wow. So is this like their founder's card? Or
yeah, it's their founder's edition.
Oh, okay. That's pretty legit, man. Okay, so let me put this down. Okay, so we got, oh nice, it's got a little compartment here.
Cable and manual. That's what it looks like.
Maybe. Oh, so they give you
it's for DVI.
Display port to DVI. So we have a monitor that uses DVI. I would recommend getting a monitor that has display port because you're going to be losing a lot of potential there. But they have that just in case you need to use a DVI monitor. Support guide, so that's all that is. And then this is the quick start guide, so this is probably how to install it and stuff like that. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory if you ever installed video cards, so that's pretty dope. So this is a big step up from my GTX 1070. And I know Ron had the same card too. He had a 1070, and then you went to a 1660 Ti?
No, RTX 2060 Super.
Oh, 2060 Super. I've never owned a Ti card in my life, so this is...
The only Ti card I've owned was a 750.
And to say this is a 2080 Ti, this is like their top-of-the-line consumer card.
Yeah, basically. This is their flagship gaming video card, like crazy. Who would have thought? Like, I didn't think I'd have this in my freaking hands right now, dude. Like, but anyway, real quick, I gotta thank this guy for putting us in this contest. Like,
hey man.
And we gotta thank NVIDIA for this, for giving us this opportunity.
Yeah, NVIDIA, big shout out to you guys. We won this through the RTX On giveaway through Instagram, and you know that all I did was just tag him and tell him why he would be interested in his card and why he would be interested in Cyberpunk. They selected us. They direct messaged me through Instagram, and I was like, oh dang, are we really winners?
Yeah, dude, we were so skeptical at first.
Yeah, we were super skeptical. This is insane that we actually have these now in our hands. I want to see what ray tracing is. I haven't ever seen ray tracing with my own eyes yet. I've seen previews of it on YouTube and stuff, but not actually like on anybody's systems or even mine. So
hell yeah.
So that's crazy.
Well, I mean, for me, dude, like, shoot, man, I just love doing build videos on the channel, and so it's like, just having this, I think it's really awesome just to like, it's an honor to have this featured on the channel. It really is.
It really is.
And like, I don't know, I feel like it was fate because my monitor messed up on me out of nowhere, and then all of a sudden, hey, you want a 2080 Ti, so I'm like, okay, let's go find a better monitor that like can handle this. So I don't know, it's like fate, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah. So now I can actually push the refresh rates on my monitor because my monitor is at 200 hertz refresh rate, and I've only been hitting like 110, 120 maybe with my 1070. So this is gonna really up those frames. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I mean, I was testing my PC today on the 32-inch and on medium on freaking Borderlands 3. I had to hit medium just to get 120 frames.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like on high I only get 60.
Oh dang. On Borderlands you said?
Yeah, Borderlands 3.
Oh wow.
But that's 1440p. Hell yeah, dude.
It's gonna be awesome. I wish your viewers can actually like hold this to see how like heavy this thing really is.
Yeah,
this thing's like a little baby. Like you can cradle it. It's like, jeez.
Hey man, but you know, I might hand it to one of you guys, and you guys might run off with the card. So I don't know.
This is about twice the weight of my 1070, maybe a little bit more. That's pretty heavy. Alright, so that's an unboxing. I don't know if next video you want to do benchmarks or.
Well, my next video on this, I was thinking of just kind of showing what I end up doing with this card, putting it in my build, and then showing before and after.
But you guys should let us know if you guys want to see what happens if we SLI these.
No,
I think that'd be dope, right?
It would be, but we need a CPU that'll push these, man.
No, yeah.
Like, we got baby CPUs compared to these, shoot.
Oh yeah, I don't even know if our motherboard will support it fully.
Alright, well,
alrighty.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe and stay tuned, because I will see you, and maybe he will too, in the next video. Alright guys?
Alrighty.
Peace.
Have a good one.
Bruh.
Crazy. Dude, this is sick. It's actually like, am I dreaming right now?
Bruh.
Dude, I know. Dude, I've been antsy about it all day. All day. Like, I was pissing off PJ. I was like, yo, I need my graphics card. I need it. He's like, shut the fuck up. Hell yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
I really appreciate you thinking of me on that sweepstakes, dude.
Hey, you're the one that got me back into computers. I mean, I was kind of like running that AMD build, and then you're like, oh, you need an upgrade. And I was like, I don't know. It just became like a snowball effect, I guess. And now I'm like really into it.